Hi everyone, welcome to the Java series part 2. So in this video we will discuss what is JDK, JRE and JVM. So what is JDK? JDK is a development toolkit, that is it stands for Java Development Kit, and it contains JRE along with development tools like JavaC, that is Java compiler, debugger and Java doc. Then JRE stands for Java Runtime Environment. What it will do? It provide environment to run Java applications or programs. What it will include? It includes Java class libraries and other components which are needed to execute Java program. Then what is JVM? JVM stands for Java Virtual Machine. So what it is? It is like a engine which runs Java bytecode. Now in this video, let's see purpose of each thing and who need it and what it contains. First, JDK. So what is JDK? Java Development Kit. And what's the purpose of JDK? The purpose of JDK is to build and develop Java applications. The purpose of JDK is to build and develop Java applications and components. This JDK will contain JRE and some development tools like JavaC, that is Java compiler, and debugger and Java doc. These are the components available in JDK. And who need it? Java developers who want to build, who want to write, compile and debug the Java code. And the next is JRE. So what is JRE? JRE stands for Java Runtime Environment. Now what is the purpose? The purpose of JRE is to provide environment to run Java applications or programs. Then what are the components or what the JRE will contain? It will contain JVM along with the Java class libraries and other components needed to run or execute Java applications. So what the JRE will contain? It will contain, along with JVM, it will contain Java class libraries and some components which are related or which are needed to run Java applications. And then who need it? So in particular organization, the requirement is to just run the Java program, not to build these Java applications or programs. So what they will need? They need just JRE. End users who just want to run Java applications but don't need to develop Java applications. So who need JRE? The end users who just want to run Java applications and they are not required or they don't develop Java applications. Now we will see about what is JVM. JVM stands for Java Virtual Machine. What's the purpose? The purpose of JVM is to just run Java bytecode. So it is like a engine. The engine that runs Java applications by executing Java bytecode. So what is the purpose of JVM? It is to run Java applications by executing Java bytecode. So where the JVM will get bytecode? From JDK, because JDK is containing compiler, right? It will contain JavaC. From that JavaC we will get bytecode. and this bytecode is having the extension of dot class. It's a dot class file. And then how it works, it will first load the bytecode, perform verification, and interprets it into machine specific code. So how it works, it first load the bytecode, verifies it, and interprets it into machine specific code for the execution. Now, is this JVM is platform independent or platform dependent? It is platform dependent, because for each machine, that is for each operating system, it is having separate JVM, that is separate JVM machine. But the bytecode is platform independent. We can run this bytecode in any JVM or in any operating system which is having JVM. And where it is, so where the JVM is located, it is the integral part of JRE. See here we seen JVM is inside JRE, right? So it is a integral part of JRE. So when you install JRE, the JVM is also installed because JVM is inside JRE. So what is JDK? JDK stands for Java Development Kit. What is the purpose? It is to build and develop Java applications. What are the components or what it will contain? It will contain development tools like Java C, that is Java compiler, debugger, and Java doc. And then who need it? The Java developers who want to write, compile, and debug the Java code. And then JRE. What is JRE? JRE stands for Java Runtime Environment. The purpose of JRE is to provide environment to run Java applications or programs. And what are the components or what it will include? It include JVM along with Java class libraries and other components which are needed to run Java applications. And then who need it? The end users who want to just run the Java code and they don't build or develop Java applications. And then we are having JVM. JVM stands for Java Virtual Machine and is the engine which will execute or which will run the Java code. How it works? It first loads the bytecode, verifies it, and interprets it to machine specific code, and then it will run. And this JVM will contain JIT compiler. It is just in time. What it will do? If our bytecode is having some frequent code, then it will convert it to machine specific code, that is native code, and execute that code. This is done by JIT compiler. Where it is located inside JVM, we are having JIT compiler, and this JVM is platform dependent, but bytecode is platform independent. Where the JVM is located, it is inside the JRE, and this entire thing is like JDK. Now inside JDK we are having JRE plus development tools. What are the development tools? Java compiler and debugger and Java doc and all the related tools to develop Java application. And then we are having JRE. What the JRE will contain? Set of libraries and other components needed to run Java application, right? And within the JRE we are having JVM. So what the JVM will do? It will run the bytecode. So in this JVM we are having JIT compiler. JIT stands for just in time. So what the JIT will do? It will convert the frequently used bytecode to native code, that is machine specific code. I hope this diagram finds you well. And this JDK is containing JRE along with development tools, and this JRE is having JVM plus set of Java class libraries and other components to run Java code. Thank you everyone for watching the video and keep learning.